Hi guys, so we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2016. The session is May-June. This is question number 3. The question is based on mean, median, mode, probability and bar charts. So let's start. Stephen asked 25 women how many children they have. That's never a good question to ask. The results are summarized in the table below. Then they have given us this frequency table. Part A, 1 says find the mean. In order to find the mean, you need to multiply every frequency with the number of children. Okay, so let's do that. Let's make a column over here to make things easier for us. So we write fx, f means frequency, x means the number of children. 7 times 0 is 0, 5 times 1 is 5, 6 times 2 is 12, 4 times 3 is also 12, and 3 times 4 is also 12. So in order to find the mean, we will need to divide the sum of fx by the sum of f. The sum of fx, let's add all of these values. 12 plus 12, 24, plus 12 is 36, plus 5 is 41. So we write 41 over here. The sum of the frequency is 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, I believe. 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 25. Okay, so we divide fx, which is 41, by 25. The value that we get is 1.64. So the mean is 1.64. The next part says find the median. In order to find the median, we will need to find the middle value of 25. Of course, that is the 13th value. It is not in the first 7 values. It is not in the next 5 values, but it is after that, because the 13th value starts in the 3rd row. That means the median over here is going to be 2. The next part says find the mode. The mode is very simple. It is the highest occurring frequency. The mode over here is going to be 0. The next part says Stephen says that the mode is the average that best represents the data. Explain why Stephen is wrong. Of course, the reason why he's wrong is because the mean and the median, both of them don't equal 0. So we write it over here. The mean and median is not equal to 0. The next part says Stephen chooses 2 women at random from the group. Calculate the probability that both of them have just one child. Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So when he chooses the first woman that has one child, that's like 5 women out of 25. That means we write 5 or 25 for the first woman. The second woman, when he chooses, so he has already chosen the first woman. That makes it 4 women out of a total of 24 that are now left. So we do 5 times 4, which gives us 20, and we do 25 times 24, which gives us 600. When we simplify this, let's see what we get. We get 1 over 30. So our final answer is 1 over 30. The next part says draw a bar chart to represent this data. Now, in order to draw the bar chart, first we need to label the axis over here. The x-axis is the number of children. Of course, there would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why have I put gaps in between these values? Is because this is a bar chart, not a histogram. Okay. In the frequency axis, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am going to stop at 7 because that's the highest value. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so how many women have 0 children? That's 7. Okay, so we draw a bar over here. I'll draw it as nicely as possible. And how many children have one child? There are 5. So we draw a bar all the way up till 5. And how many women have 2 children? Let's see how many those are. There are 6 women who have 2 children. So we draw another bar over here. Okay, how many have 3 children? There are 4 women. There are 4 women. So we draw a bar all the way up till 4. And then how many have 4 children? I think there were 3 of them. Yeah. Okay. So this is the bar graph. I'll shade these in order for us to make this visible. 1 second. Okay. This completes part D. Let's move on. The next part says Stephen shows Frank the paper on which he recorded the data from his survey. Part of the paper has been torn. So this part over here has been torn. Which 5 numbers are missing from the paper? Okay, the numbers were 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's see how many zeros are missing. There should be 7 zeros. So we have 1 over here, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 2 zeros are missing. So we write those two numbers, 0 and 0 over here. Let's see how many ones are missing. There were 5 ones, so there should be 5 of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1 5 is missing. So we write, yeah, 1 1 is missing. So we write 1 over here. Okay, how many 2's are missing? Let's see how many 2's there were. There were 6 2's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing is missing. How many 3's are missing? There should be 4 of them. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. So that means one of them is missing. So we write 3 over here. And how many 4's are there? There should be 3 4's. Let's see how many are missing. We have 1, 2, and that's it. So we have one more 4 missing. So these are the numbers, and that's your answer. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.